Hi, welcome to the Staking Geek channel. Glad you're with me. Today we're going to be discussing the Cosmos project and ways we can make passive income holding the Atom token. All right, let's get right into it. So I'm currently on their website. I'm going to pop back here in a second. This is a very important project. It looks like they've come a long way. Cosmos is ranked 21st in total market cap with about $3.5 billion. If we scroll down here, we'll see that their all-time high was around $42 back in 2021 and 2022. You can purchase the Atom token at leading exchanges. And we'll scroll down here and do a quick overview on the description. So if I continue down here, I want to highlight what makes Cosmos unique. A major concern in the crypto industry right now, and I can verify this, is fragmentation. There are hundreds of different blockchains and blockchain networks, and very few of them communicate with each other. So this Cosmos project aims at trying to fix this. All right, so let's scroll back up here. Who are the founders of the Cosmos? Well, the co-founders of Tendermint, which I've spoke about the consensus mechanism in previous videos. They founded the Cosmos. Looks like they're these gentlemen. I believe they've stepped down. They've replaced the whole board of directors to try to get a refresh and create some more enthusiasm towards the community and experience for developers, which we'll get into in a second. If you want to read more about the Tendermint consensus mechanism, you can go here. Also, if you want to read a little bit more about the inter-blockchain communication protocol, which they've developed, consists of two layers: the transport or network layer that provides the necessary infrastructure and authentication and secure connections, as well as the application layer that processes transactions and updates the state of the network. I'm not going to go into the bits and bytes and all this, but I just wanted to give you some high level. And if you're interested, you could do more research. And it looks like they've also set up a foundation, the Interchain Foundation. So there's an additional link. So I'll pop back here to their website. If you want to scroll down and learn a little bit more about the Cosmos Hub, it looks like it's the economic center of Cosmos, and it has different marketplaces to set up and operate a next-gen decentralized exchange. It looks like the Kava project, they'll be securing many chains in exchange for additional staking rewards. So there's a lot going on here. Well, you could do your own research, but if I scroll down here and take a quick look, I like to just browse over what they have on their website. It looks like they have given a grant to Interchain Foundation to explore the concept of liquid staking. So it looks like that might be coming to the Cosmos ecosystem in the coming months or years. All right. If I flip back here, I want to highlight the Cosmos SDK. So it looks like they've developed a software development kit, and which allows them to use Tendermint consensus mechanism or algorithm to create blockchains. So instead of creating blockchains from scratch, developers can leverage this and start making apps in the Web3 world. All right, so let's find out ways we can make passive income holding this Atom token. So if I go over here to stakingrewards.com, you'll see Atom is 9th in total staking market cap with, it looks like, about $2.5 billion. So let's click on the project. And they have about 62% being stake of their circulating supply. That's pretty good. It looks like you can delegate your Cosmos to earn rewards. We'll also discuss other options. All right, so the first option I want to give you, if you don't have the Keplr wallet already, you might want to download it. You can go to wallet.keplr.app and you'll be able to download that. Make sure you save your seed phrase and password very securely. And one quick highlight, I will be making a video on osmosis, so look out for that. So once I buy my tokens on leading exchanges, let's say I buy it on KuCoin or Binance or Coinbase, I'll transfer that over to my Keplr under Cosmos Hub. There's your address. And once they're in your wallet, you can come over here and simply click on Cosmos Hub, go down here, and you can look at, these are all the delegators. These guys are all the node providers. And if you want to learn about some of the trusted staking providers. You can come here over to Staking Rewards /providers and do a little bit more research. So if I want to, let's say, stake with stake.fish, I'd click on that. Once your atoms show up in your wallet, you'll be able to click the amount of atom you want to delegate, hit delegate. It looks like you'll be making an APR of or just over 22%, and you'll be paying a commission of 4% to the node provider. And that is your first way to delegate your atom token. Fairly straightforward. All right, the next way I want to show you is with the Exodus wallet. I know there's a roughly around 22% APY, and this is a fairly easy way to do it. You're not delegating, you're just literally getting the atom token in your Exodus wallet and clicking on the staking, and it's literally one button, and you'll be earning 22%. And as you earn rewards, you could claim those and reinvest them so you can continually compound. And the ways you could do it is you could download the Exodus app to your desktop, you can download on your phone, or you can put it into your browser extension. And remember, back up your seed phrase and passwords very securely. All right, so that's two ways of staking your atom token for a fairly good APY. All right, so there's also other ways you can do it. You can go directly on these websites, but I prefer to do it within your wallet. So you own your keys, your crypto. But you can get a list of all these providers right here and go directly to their website. And it even shows you which country they're located in. All right, and the last way, it's not going to be for most people watching this video, but is running a validator node. And this is more for institutional investors, technical folks, maybe people developing on the project. And there are a few different ways. So running a validator node, they give you some suggestions, and it says try joining out their public testnet first, and information can be found here. And then once you're done that, you can complete the joining mainnet guide. And if I scroll down, what is a validator? You can read about this, but this is high level stuff. I'm not going to go too deep in the weeds. Like I said, this is more for very technical people. You got to learn about security, key management, the whole 9 yards. And if you do go down this route, it looks like you'll be earning a whopping 26.5%. All right, so there's some ways you can make passive income holding the atom token. And I'll do a quick review. So you can delegate your atom tokens to a validator, and right here in the Keplr Wallet. You can set up an Exodus wallet for your desktop, mobile, or your browser, and you can easily stake the atom token for around 22%. Or if you want to get real technical and you want to build a business around this project, you could set up a validator. All right, so thank you for watching. Hope this video was informative. I'll continue to review more projects and ways we can make passive income holding the crypto tokens. Thanks for watching. Until next time.